If you love metal sculptures, then you should visit Kemps Wonder Weld. A beautiful collection of marvelous creations by a skilled craftsman. Luke Kemp puts all of his emotions into his work, producing pieces that reflect his feelings. Many people all over the world have been captivated by his ability to make his creations almost seem to come alive. Click links in the description to get to Luke's website and YouTube channel. Oh yeah, and thanks for watching.